You know how you have that shoe, that silhouette of shoe that's constantly catching your eye, and you're thinking to yourself, I'm starting to really fall in love with this particular shoe. You know, you think you used to rock this and then you rock that, and now you're over here like, dang, I'm starting to really like this brand, or I'm really starting to like this. I love how the sneaker game gives everyone the opportunity to individualize their collections, man, to let people express their true selves. I just love it. And so squad, with that being said, video up, let's get to it. What's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. I'm back with another video for you today. Squad, you guys already know the deal, man. Welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel, guys. Welcome to the most lit family in all of YouTube. So glad that you took the time to come to the channel, man. Check out a video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, it's your first time seeing a Rebel Squad video. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and leave some comments on this video once you've watched it in its entirety. And if you're looking to follow me on social media, guys, my Instagram and Twitter are in the description below. So family, listen, I love when dope shoes just keep coming out. And so if you guys have not seen some of my Vision Racer videos, I came across another one and I'm just going to go ahead and get into it, guys. I flat out love this shoe. And squad, with that being said, it is time for a review of the New Balance Jaden Smith Vision Racer in its Natural Colorway. Let's get into it. Squad, now that we're back, man, look, you guys checked out the B-roll, you guys checked out the footage, you guys saw the first part of the video. We are talking about the New Balance Vision Racer Jaden Smith collab. I'm glad the lights dim, guys, so you can really appreciate all of the details on this shoe. I'm not gonna lie though, at first the shoe threw me off because when I saw the pictures online, I really expected like this, the upper, like where you guys see that fleece material. You guys see the white leather that, well, is this leather? Yes, this is leather. You guys see that white leather that encompasses the upper? I thought that was just a traditional white or a traditional sail colorway. I did not expect this to have different speckles of color in it. And so the shoe threw me off at first. I'm thinking, I don't think I really want to wear that. But as I really thought about the different things that I would wear with it, yes, you guys do traditionally see me in all black, which is of course my favorite thing to go to. But I was thinking about all the different like custom jerseys that I want, or, you know, if I wanted just a traditional neutral white and gray shoe that I could wear, or if I wanted to maybe play off of all of those different specks of color that you see in the shoe, that you guys see in the shoe, I would be able to do that as well. All right, and so here is the shoe, guys. It's really dope, man. It's clean. It's not going to be one of those shoes where you're going to be like, hey, where you're going to go into the store and you're going to be like, oh man, this shoe is incredible, like, oh my god, which you may be, man. You may be a fan of the Vision Racer to that point, but for me, guys, I really took some time to think about what exactly I would pull this off with. And so one thing I love is the coordination of the blocking of the pallets, okay? The pallet blocking is really well done on the entire shoe, guys. You do have, like I said, that speckled variation of colors throughout the leather encasing of the upper. You do have a really soft and comfortable like gray fleece sweater type of material that goes around the whole upper. No, that's not plastic. No, it's not nubuck. It is actual like fleece material like you would actually feel on a sweater, okay? So this shoe may actually be a little hot just because of that, but hey, you know what? Go for it anyway, man. Just see how you rock it, okay? Take it on around to the back side, guys. You have that heel tab that has that traditional New Balance logo. Laces are pretty traditional. White laces go all throughout the upper of the shoe, but you do get a set of black laces to go with it. Now, me personally, I don't see myself really rocking the black on the white. I think the white on white is just a lot. Damn, let's run that back. I think the white on white is a lot cleaner, guys. So me personally, I'm gonna keep the traditional white laces, but as we all love about the Vision Racers, there is a message on the bottom and it says, do you see it yet? Now, some of the OG Vision Racers, like Jaden's first Vision Racer, the powder blue, actually has just Vision on it, okay? And then I also have the surplus pair right here. It's starting to yellow a little bit. I like that. Oh, I love when shoes do this, man. This one also says Vision on the bottom too. This is my surplus pair that I was actually able to get off of the Greenhouse app. Shout out to Greenhouse and the Foot Locker squad, man. But yeah, squad, this is the New Balance Jaden Smith Vision Racer. Let me show you guys the pair right here. All right, this is the pair like so. Nothing different. I mean, well, no shoe really is alike because I'm sure the speckle patterns on different shoes are completely different. So it makes no pair exactly alike, but same thing. Black laces come with the shoe, guys. Just really well done. Same message on both the shoes. On the inside, guys, it says, "We run the city in these Vision laces." Okay, so that's on the interior of the shoe right there, guys. On the inner sole is nice and padded, man. It's actually like, it's gonna give you that massage feeling on the bottom of your foot. White sock liner, guys, so definitely be careful with that if you decide to wear darker color socks. That will, of course, peel off onto your sock liner. Personally, do what you want, man. Just get you a nice lint roller. You'll be able to clean it up, no problem. But yeah, squad, that's mainly it. Box, basically the same as all the other boxes. All right, so it does say Vision Racer. It says New Balance. It says, "Do you see it yet?" Really, really cool shoe, guys. Box is really cool. You got New Balance branding right here on the lid at the top, right there on the corner of the box. And on this side, it says Vision Racer with recycled symbol because these shoes are made from recycled materials. All right, and so is the packaging. Okay, so really love that, Jaden, man. New Balance, guys, keep doing your thing. And remember, hey, Jaden, New Balance, if you guys ever want to make like an all red pair with the icy bottom, man, and maybe like a white or black or maybe a silver New Balance symbol, send your boy a size 12, man. Men's size 12 if you don't mind. All right, anyways, guys, Vision Racer paper. All right, a little bit different from the other Vision Racer paper because the other paper is pink. This one is like gray, black, and white. So that is that. That is mainly it for the video, Rebel Squad. You guys already know the vibes, man. All right, you guys already know the vibes. This is the pair right here of the Jaden Smith New Balance Vision Racers in their natural colorway. Guys, in the comment section below, let me know if it's a shoe that you went for. Let me know if this is a shoe that you like. Let me know if after seeing this review, this will now be a shoe that you go get. Did you hit on a, well, I don't think there was a raffle for these, but maybe you went to the store, you saw them, and you're like, I don't know, man, maybe not. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you follow the channel, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are in the description below. And squad, with that being said, it's your boy Matt the Rebel. It's the Jaden Smith New Balance Vision Racers. We're checking out, man. We'll see you in the next video, family. Until the next time, peace.